Okay, so for today's DMR, we're not necessarily going to be solving this problem. All we're really doing is determining what our first step is. So it says, what is the first step in evaluating this expression? So we have 12.9 minus 3.1 in parentheses times 6.2 minus 2 plus 4 cubed, or 4 to the third power. So we look, parentheses. Do we have parentheses? We do. We have 12.9 minus 3.1. That's inside the parentheses. So if parentheses is the first thing we do, that means it is the first step. So we should be doing 12.9 minus 3.1. So we're looking for subtracting or minus. So multiplying 3.1 and 6.2. No, we're not multiplying first. Add 2 and 4 cubed. We're not adding. Remember, we're looking for the 12.9 minus 3.1. Subtract 3.1 from 12.9. There's our answer. We're taking 3.1 from 12.9. So we'll drag our circle over C. And then we're done. That was it. They don't want us to solve it. They just want us to have the first step.